All right, welcome back, everybody. We are on the assessment level, which means that I can read the directions. We can look at the code. I can read the rubric, but I'm not going to actually do this one for you because what good of an assessment would it be if I gave you the answers? So, light patterns. This app creates different light patterns on the circuit playground by pressing buttons on the screen. It already has one light pattern which can be activated by clicking a button on the screen. Add your own button to the screen that creates your own light pattern, maybe the colors of your favorite holiday, college, sports team, or try to create an image with the lights. So do this in design mode. Add a new button to your screen, give it a meaningful ID. In code mode, when the user clicks the button, a light pattern appears. Add an on event block for your button. Add the color LEDs color and color LEDs intensity blocks to create your own light design. You should use at least 3 different colors and change the intensity of some of the LEDs on your board. I can tell you, a lot of people did this part. A lot of people forgot to change the intensity. You have to do both if you want to get the full grade. All right. So, hints and tips and tricks. So again, the first hint is make sure you do at least 3 different colors and change the color of the intensity. If you don't change the color and the intensity of some of the LEDs, then again, you cannot get your full points. The other thing is when they're saying you have to design a new button on your screen, you're going to go into design over here. You're going to play with all of this fun stuff and you're going to figure out how to make a button on the screen. All right. I will give you a hint. You could just duplicate this one, but you're going to have to figure out how to do that. All right. The rubric. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so the rubric says no evidence, meaning you get a 0. No pattern is used, so you didn't do anything. We're going to close that one because obviously you're going to do better than that. Limited evidence, the light pattern uses one color or uses 2 colors, but does not change the intensity of the LEDs. So make sure you do all of that. All right, we're going to close that one. So convincing evidence, the light pattern only uses 2 colors or uses 3 colors, but does not change the intensity of the LEDs. So again, if you want full points, make sure you're doing everything it asks. And last but not least, here's your 100, here's your A. Extensive evidence. The light pattern uses at least 3 different colors and changes the intensity of some of the LEDs. So if you do all of that, you get your 100. All right. So with that, I have read the directions. I have shown you a couple tips, a couple tricks, a couple of things to make sure you do because other people didn't and their grade suffered for it. Um, but with that, I'll let you get started and I look forward to seeing what you come up with. All right, good luck.